What's up guys, Scooter here. So recently I just replaced my Epiphone Les Paul switch. I don't know if you can see it, it might be blurry, but I just replaced this with a SWITCHCRAFT switch, and I kind of had an idea for a video. Why don't we go into talking about Les Paul switches and kind of how those work, because theoretically they're super simple in terms of how they work, but I just kind of wanted to shoot this quick video just to show you guys if you were curious or looking to kind of replace yours as well. Cool, so I'm gonna move everything over to the workbench and let's get looking at switches. Alright. So this is a switch that actually replaced my old Epiphone Les Paul switch, so I'll leave links in the description if you guys want to check it out. So first we're going to look at the differences between these two switches. Really the only difference is where everything is placed, so if you guys want to pause the video and check that out, I've kind of laid it out for you side by side. So break out your multimeter and change it to continuity mode. And what that'll do is it'll emit a beep if two things are connected, but it won't if they are not connected. So our switch is currently in the middle position, meaning that both pickups are active, so both output lugs and the lugs for the respective pickups should emit a tone because they're both connected. So we switch the switch upwards, and now the bottom connection will not work because the connection has been broken within, but the top connection will still work because it's still connected within. And this works the same way if we were to switch it to the bottom now. So let's take a closer look and see how this actually works. So as you can see in the middle position, both connections are still active, but if the switch were pushed up or down, the connection is broken, as you can see with the gap. So with your standard output jack, you're going to have two connections you can make. Your positive or hot wire is going to be your guitar signal, and the black or ground wire is going to be your, obviously, ground. So if you can remember, your hot wire or red wire is going to go to the outputs of the switch. And then the respective lugs beside of the hot wire are going to go to your pickups. And then the black wire, the ground of the output jack, is going to go to your ground lug on your switch. So to put this into context, when you plug in an instrument cable, you'll see that the cable has two areas. You can see that by the black ring kind of separating both of them. It has on the left the tip, which is going to be your hot, and then it has the sleeve on the right, which is your ground. And obviously both of those correspond to the lugs on the output jack. Just wanted to point out real quick that this isn't the be-all end-all for guitar switches and jacks. There are definitely like more intricate ones you can check out, but I just wanted to show you like a bare bones version of one. So I hope you guys learned a little bit more about Les Paul switches. I want to thank you for watching, subscribe, share the video, and as always, happy listening. See you guys.